Hi guys, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I am going to teach you the selectors. From this very lecture, I'm start going to teach you the selectors. I will teach you the different selectors, how to select the form fields, how to apply the different things on the form fields, how to select the header, iframe. I'm just showing this little examples of the different selectors. And here you can see that I have just created a paragraph in between the body already, so our time will be safe. And here is the script tags, and here I have created the structure of the files, folder of the file little bit. Here you see that this is the new folder in which I will place the rest of the files, and here you see that this is the previous folder. I'm just telling you that this development is the new folder in which I will place all the files. Now I'm just telling you this whenever I will execute any file in the browser, so you can understand the file structure. And here is the JS folder. This folder have this jQuery library, and this is you don't have any connection with this file. This is just another file, and the icon of this file is just the logo of another editor that I have installed. So when you download the jQuery library, so it will not look like this. So here is the images folder in which there is one image, and here is the development folder. It have the file. So now let's do it. Here I have executed this file in the browser. Basically I'm going to make it a div. Here I'm going to change it to the div because in this way you can understand it clearly. I have applied operation on the div and the paragraph, so you can apply on it the paragraph. I'm just changing. There is no reason to change it, just to show you. It will also work with the div, and here is the div. And now first of all, here is I'm going to apply the document dot ready. I have not write it before making the lecture. Here is, now this is my punishment. I have to write it in between the lecture. And here first of all I'm going to select the div, and here it is selected. And now I'm going to apply a different thing on it. I'm going to hide it. Here is write hide parenthesis, then semicolon, and now this is the function. This is the function, and it is basically the effect. It is the effect, because this paragraph is going, this div is going to be hidden. So now it is not hide. Why it is not hidden? Here I'm going to check it. Here is a little bit error. Here we have to write dot 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 forward slash before this JS folder, because there is a different folder that have the file. Now we have created another folder development that have the new file, and it doesn't know anything about the JS folder. So we have to write dot 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 forward slash that is representing this main folder, that is files that have this JS folder and all the things. So library is not included. We have correct the address, and now it is hide. So in this way you can hide the div, and you can also select the header, the paragraph. Here now I'm going to select, I'm going to add the image. Here is image source, and here is a.jpg, and this image is inside the folder images. Here is images is the folder. Here you can see that here is, you see that this is the images folder. And now here is, let's check it. Here is the images not included, because we have to write dot 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 forward slash. And now here you see that it is included, and now here we can hide it. What we need to do, we just need to write another instruction, and we have to write img selector. But this is the long method. This is the long method. the short method, what is the short method? You just need to remove it, just remove it, and you just need to write comma and then img. So in this way you can write two selectors in one line. So here you see that it is still hide. You can also hide the iframe, the header. Here I'm going to create a header element. You can apply this effect on any HTML element. I'm just showing you. Here is the text. Here I'm going to paste the text inside it. Here is, let's include it. So here is the header, and now what you need to do, you just need to write header, so it will be also hidden, and here it is hidden. You can also apply this on iframe. Here is the iframe. Here is the source. I'm going to give it http://www.w3schools.com, and now W3 schools will be included here. You see that it is including, but at this time the internet connection, I have not I have the internet connection, but it is just due to a problem, it is not working. Here you can see that unable to resolve server DNS. What the heck is this? My internet is got the problem from one day. So now here you can also hide this iframe. Here is iframe, and here is, you see that it will be hidden. It is not hidden because here is a problem. We have not provided the closing tag of the iframe. Here is iframe, so now it will be hidden. Here you see that I have refreshed the page. Here you see that all the things are hidden. Now here you see that it is working perfectly. All the things are hidden, and you can see that all the things are hidden, including the iframe. So in this way you can hide all the things, but there is another way to hide. Here is, I'm going to add the comment in. You can hide all the body. Here you can see that you have to select body in this way and then hide it. And here is, you see that all the body is hidden. It is hidden. Here I'm going to stop it. Here is, all the things are hidden, but here if I make it in the comment, then you can see it. Here you see that all the things are visible. And in this way you can also hide all the data by selecting HTML element, because all these things are inside the HTML elements. So here you see that it is hidden. And here I want to tell you another thing, that is another selector, because we are just discussing the selector, window selector. At the place of this document you can also write the window. You can remove it and you can write the window, or you can just write the comma and then write the window. So this statement is just checking when the document and the window both ready, then this function will be executed. And here you see that it is just, there is another, here is the window spellings are not correct, and now it will work perfectly. Here you can see that. So in this way you can use these things. I'm just introducing you the selector. So if you have any problems, so kindly add the discussion. I will help you as much as I can. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video, that is about another selector, ID selector in the class. So let's see this thing in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.